So this is page 62, part 2.
Page 62, Lesson C. Exercise 2A. 1.
Where's the pharmacy?
Between the restaurant and the supermarket. 2. Where's the supermarket?
On Main Street.
3.
Where's the restaurant?
Next to the pharmacy. 4. Where's the bakery?
Across from the restaurant.
5.
Where's the police station?
Next to the bakery.
Okay, so for number 1, where is the pharmacy? And if you want to answer the question in full sentence, you want to say the pharmacy is between the restaurant and the supermarket. Number 2, where's the supermarket? If you want to answer the question in full sentence, you say the supermarket is on Main Street. Number 3, where's the restaurant? The full sentence would be the restaurant is next to the pharmacy. Number 4, where's the bakery? You want to say it is across from the supermarket. I mean the restaurant. And number 5, where's the police station? You could say the police station is next to the bakery, or it's next to the bakery. And let's turn to page 63. We're going to listen and repeat again.
Page 63, Lesson C. Exercise 2B. 1.
Excuse me, where's the bank?
Next to the supermarket.
Thanks. 2.
Excuse me, where's the restaurant?
Across from the bank.
Thanks.
3. Excuse me, where's the bank?
Between the pharmacy and the supermarket.
Thanks.
4.
Excuse me, where's the police station?
On Park Street.
Thanks.
5. Excuse me, where's the bakery?
Next to the restaurant.
Thanks.
6.
Excuse me, where's the supermarket?
Across from the bakery.
Thanks.
Okay, so also practice communication, just like page 63, part 3. You can find your partner at home, your daughter, your son, your spouse, anyone. And let's do the next page, 64. Before you read, it says, talk about the picture. What do you see? I see it's a Riverside Library opens today. That's a banner. It says Riverside Library opens today, a banner. Looks like it's the opening. It's a grand opening of the new library. I see 4 men on top of the stage. And I see a man with a suit, with a tie. He's right in front of the podium. And I also see many people watching them. And let's listen and read.
Page 64. Lesson D. Exercise 2.
Notice from Riverside Library.
Notice from
Come and
Riverside
visit
Library.
Riverside Library. The new library opens today. The library is on Main Street. It is across from Riverside Adult School. It is next to K&P Supermarket. It is between K&P Supermarket and Rosie's Restaurant. The library is open from 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Okay, so after you read, you could complete the map on part 3. So number 2, number 1 is school. You see the Main Street, and number 2 would be K&P Supermarket. Number 3 is the library. And number 4 is Rosie's Restaurant. So let's turn to page 65. Now we're going to look at the pictures, the picture dictionary. And I'll play you the track again.
Page 65. Lesson D. Exercise 4A. 1.
By bicycle.
By bicycle.
By bicycle.
By bicycle.
2. By bus.
By bus.
By bus.
By bus.
3.
By car.
By car.
By car.
By car.
4. By taxi.
By taxi.
By taxi.
By taxi.
5.
By train.
By train.
By train.
By train.
6.
On foot.
On foot.
On foot.
On foot. So transportation is
The audio
how
program
you...
continues on the next CD.
Okay. So Transportation means you're going from one place to another. So you can go by bicycle, that's picture number 1. Or you could go by, I guess, tricycle. Tri means 3. So it has 3 wheels. So when you say unicycle, it means 1 wheel. There's like unicycle, bicycle, and tricycle. And number 2 is a bus. It's a public transportation. It's not your own car or your own bicycle. You pay money and you go to a different place. And that will be number 2. And also number 4, taxi. It looks like a car, but it's also public transportation. And number 5, same thing. Train is a public transportation and also an airplane. Those are all public transportation. And 3, when you say you go by car, it means you have your own car, but there are many different types of car. 4-door is sedan. 2-door is called a coupe. There's a bigger car, it's called van or a minivan. And also there's an SUV. It's called sport utility vehicle. So there are these like many different types of cars. Oh, and there's one more, it's called wagon. Wagon is not that popular anymore, but it used to be very popular in the 80s and 90s. But yes, there is also a wagon. And also, yes, there's a sports car. There's a sports car. Usually, it only seats 2 people. And when there's a car without the top, it's called a convertible. Convertible. These are all different types of car. So let's go to page 66. It says, before you write, A, talk with a partner. Complete the words. 1, supermarket. Missing letter is K. Number 2, pharmacy. Missing letter is H. Number 3, post office. Missing letter is F. And number 4, restaurant. The missing letter is T. And number 5, library. The missing letter is B. Number 6, school. The missing letter is C. So talk with a partner, look at the map, complete the story. So Donna lives on Reed Street. She lives near a big supermarket. The supermarket is next to a pharmacy. A restaurant is across from the supermarket. A post office is on Reed Street too. It is across from the library. A school is between the restaurant and the library. And for page 67, you could draw a map of your street, and you could write about your street, just like the example on part B. You could do that at home. You can just practice. And let's go to page 68. 1. Life skills reading. A. Read the sentences. Look at the map. Fill in the answer. 1. The hospital is A. on Jackson Street, B. on Washington Street, C. on Avenue B. The answer is B. on Washington Street. Number 2. The post office is A. next to the police station, B. next to the school, 3. next to the restaurant. The answer is C. next to the restaurant. Number 3. The post office is A. between the restaurant and the library, B. across from the library, C. on Washington Street? The answer is A, between the restaurant and the library. Number 4, the hospital is A, across from the school, B, next to the police station, C, between the restaurant and the school. So the answer is B, next to the police station. And B, solve the problem. Which solution is best? Circle your answer. Where's the library? Eve doesn't know. What can she do? 1, you could look at a map. 2, I guess you could just go home. Or 3, it says other. I guess you could ask somebody and get the directions to the library. Or you could Google it and find the directions. And let's turn to page 69. 2, fun with vocabulary. A, read and match. 1, post office, because I see pictures of envelopes. Number 2 is a bank, because I see coins and I see paper money. Paper money is like $1 bill, $2 bill, $5 bill. Those bills are called paper money, and the coins are those round metal ones are called coins. And number 3, I see a pile of clothes in a basket, so that would be laundromat. Number 4, I see bottles of pills or medicine, so that will be pharmacy. And number 5, I see a picture of popcorns in a bucket, so that would be a movie theater. And number 6, I see loaves of bread. Maybe those are baguette or sourdough. I don't know. I can't really tell from the picture, but these are many loaves of bread. So it will be a bakery. And for B, circle the words in the puzzle. So you could find the words and circle it.